Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss how the mathematics relates with theory of computation. Generally we can say theory of computation, it is a branch of computer science, and how we are going to solve the problems using formal methods like automata, grammar and Turing machine, and what problem can be solved by the computer, we can say computability, and how efficiently can be solved, we can say complexity. So this is general definition of theory of computation. So now we can see how theory of computation deeply rooted in mathematics. So these are all the areas relates with theory of computation: set theory, logic, algebra, number theory, graph theory, discrete mathematics, and proof techniques. Here, set theory, we can represent the language using the set. We can represent the string as well as alphabet, any language we can define using the set concept. And the logic, we can use preposition logic as well as predicate logic for making a decision. And algebra, we can use the structure, algebraic structures, we can define the language, we can combine the language, we can derive the strings. For example, concatenation, associative law. So like that, we can use the algebraic structures, we can solve the problems. And number theory, especially we are using the encoding and decoding as well as data representations in theory of computations. And graph theory, here we can represent the graphical models, that is a state diagram, transition functions, everything we can represent the graphical functions, that is based on the graph theory. And discrete mathematics, it is a main core functions, we can use the functions relations for definitions of the problems as well as how to solve the problems. And finally, proof technique, here we can use the computational problems as well as decision problems, whether it is solved by the machine or not, whether we can give the decisions or not, like that we can use the proof techniques. So these are all the major area relates with theory of computations. And also we can define, we can compute, we can check, we can uh, take the decisions based on this area. So next we'll see one by one how it is related with theory of computations with one examples. Thank you guys.